This week in your weekly upgrade, we welcome you back and give you a quick reminder of who's who within our training and academic team and how to best point you to our client service center. We'll give you a quick heads up of all our summer workshop recordings, and we'll send you to Orbit for all your PDF needs. I'm Jordan R, and this is your weekly upgrade.
Welcome back. Your dreams were your ticket out. Welcome back to that same old place.
Welcome back, everyone. This is Season 2, Episode 1 of your weekly upgrade. I hope you're excited to be back, whether virtually or in person, but either way, take a deep breath, release all that summer air, and gear up for an amazing year with all your amazing students. I thought it would be important to reintroduce our team, so here we go. First off, we have our training and support team, where we handle creating how-to guides and step-by-step instructions, whether online or in-person walkthroughs, troubleshooting assistance, and suggestions to improve your workflow for board tech and applications. We also have our VLE, or Virtual Learning Environment team, which supports this robust LMS, so you can leverage rich digital tools in your classroom, both virtually and in person. Next is our academic team, who helps educators use technology with their students, finds tech solutions in the educational context, and assists with purchasing tech for your school. And finally, the first line of defense is our client service center for all technology-related inquiries in the OCDSB. You can easily reach them by phone, email, placing a call ticket by just going to the staff portal and selecting IT support, and then select CSC portal. Choose the type of inquiry you're looking for. If you're unsure about which one to pick, select an IT request. Just fill in the details and select Submit. A call ticket will be generated and directed to the appropriate team. If you need immediate assistance, the best way to reach CSC is through their office hours. On Mondays to Fridays from 8 to 4, just go to Google Meet, put in the meeting code team-CSC, and someone live will be there to assist. And if that wasn't enough, here's a list of their home addresses as well. No. Summertime was great, and what's great about you is that we want to give you updated summer workshop recordings that you can peruse at your leisure at some key topics that may be useful for you during the school year. Big sentence, I know. We have topics such as Google Docs, Google Forms for admin, an in-depth look into Google Sheets, and lots of new topics from the virtual learning environments. To find all we have to offer, just go to our Modern Learning website, select Office Hours and Workshops. Then select which learning platform, or you can type what topic you're looking for in the search bar. And then kick your feet up, grab a warm drink, take some notes, and please, watch responsibly. If you weren't already out of this world, you may find yourself searching for this key program you and your students used for PDFs, the PDF reader. The thing is, it has changed to a program called OrbitDoc. You will have to visit the Chrome web store and find it there. Just add it to Chrome and you'll have the extension ready to use with all your PDFs, but make sure to pin it. When the extension is selected, you have the option to select it from your computer or from your Google Drive. When a file is opened from Google Drive, you can add everything you'd like and it will automatically save, similar to Google Doc. Just a side note, this will also be the norm for using PDFs in Google Classroom. Now you can either talk to your students through what I just showed you, or you're welcome to show them this video of how to install it and use it. And now that OrbitDoc is ready to use, I'm going to throw a party in space. Want a planet? Well, that's it for today's weekly upgrade. We will be releasing an episode every other week, so keep your eyes open and your brain ready. While you're here on YouTube, you can also keep updated by selecting this button that says subscribe to never miss out. Have yourself a great week and an even greater rest of your day.